Ready, get set,
Go.
1, 2.
3.
Good morning guys, today is April 26 and
April 26.
mag-grocery tayo. Matagal na rin kami hindi nag-grocery na kaming tatlo, kaming apat na kasama ko lahat ng mga bata kasi ngayon kasama sila kasi still school holiday. So yeah, mag-grocery tayo. And guys, today also ang aking first year anniversary as a YouTuber. Ngayon ko in-upload yung pinakauna ko. Etong date na to, ang pinakauna kong in-upload yung aking first vlog sa YouTube. So yeah guys, thank you. Maraming salamat kasi nandiyan pa rin kayo at saka dumadami kayo guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Say thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
And guys, this is also my first time na gamitin tong GX7 kong camera dito sa car. Nagamit ko na siya sa first time ko siya nagamit sa Sydney nung kasama ko sila, pero this time first time ko siyang gamitin dito sa car. So yeah, and thank you guys kasi itong camera na to, katas to ng aking pinaghirapan na pag-editing at sa suporta nyo sa panunood, kaya nakabili tayo ng GX7 camera guys. So yeah, itong remembrance ko for my first sweldo sa YouTube, right? Say yes, Holly. Say hi. Say salamat po. Say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Kuya.
Salamat po.
How about you? Say salamat po.
Apo.
Salamat po. So yun guys, mag-grocery tayo. And marami akong pupunta ng store. Hindi na marami. Basta may iba-ibang store na pupunta. Pupunta tayo muna, I think, sa Big W kasi bibili ako ng extra Holly, extra memory card. Ang ingay na ni Holly. And yes,
Apple.
apple. We're gonna get apple, okay?
Mom, they're free apples.
Yeah, they have free apples kasi may free apples sa sa Coles for kids. And yun guys, so yeah, punta ko ng Big W, Target or Kmart. So we'll see, but for sure mag-grocery tayo. So yeah, say see you guys.
See you.
And then salamat ulit. Say salamat po.
Salamat po. Apple.
Salamat po.
Look my neighbor Look my neighbor glasses.
Okay, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Dito na kami guys sa Big W. Okay, come on Holly. Hold mommy's hand. Okay. Ayan. Bibili lang ako ng mataas. Yung mahabang tripod ba yun? Okay, let's go Big W first.
Big W.
There, come on. Hurry up. Holly, hurry up, run. Come on. Boys, come on. Go. Dito na kami guys sa Big W. Ayan yung mga bata. So, kukuha ko na SD card, yung memory card. Okay, I think it's here, Kuya. Go this way. Book. No, you don't need book. We got lots of book at home. Ha? So, yan. Dito. Ata yun. So, maghanap muna tayo. Ha? Sila yung ngayon nagamit ko na SanDisk na brand. Meron lang sila Toshiba. Hindi raw nila kinikerry yung brand na yun. So, eto na lang. 64 gig. Tapos, kuha rin tayo nito para sa kusina. Para medyo matangkad siya. So, ayan. Ayan yung mga bata. Okay, let's go, kids. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's alright. Naghanap ako ng baunan ni tubig. Lalagyan ng tubig ni Sa kasi marumi na yung kanya. What's that, teacher? Yeah, that's yours? What?
Zach has put on her brains.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, put it there.
This one, Dad.
Yeah, you get the bigger one. Okay, put it there, Kuya, please. What's that, Baba? You don't need this, Holly. Oh, you want this? This? Say, what you gonna say? Thank you. Not yet. It's yucky. Okay, let's go. No, just that one because I'm not. Oops. Do you want that one, Holly, or you want Sky? Let's go inside. Let's go to Smeagol. Let's see if we can find water bottle for Zachary. Huh? Dito kayo. Pasok kayo dito, guys.
Can I have a turtle?
A what? No, I'm just gonna look for Zachary's. Hello. Good. Thank you. For your water bottle. Where's for the boys? Here, Baba. Which one you want, Zach? Find your water bottle. Ayan naman. Nag-change ako ng memory kasi insufficient na yung isa kasi 8 gig lang yun. So, gamitan natin yung binili natin sa Big W. So, Zach? Did you find anything now? Which one? Makaka-copyright tayo dito, Zach. Bilis na. That one? You sure? Okay. How about you, Kuya? Okay, Kuya. Get it now, Kuya. Thank you. Mag-lunch muna kami dito sa food court. Wow! Without me. Ano, tapos ka na? Kumain na kayo? Kumain na kayo? No? O tara, pakainin ko muna yung mga bata kasi past 12 na. Gusto niya yung chips eh. Ayan, nakita namin sila, si Dian siya kasi Tina, yung friend ko. Isa. Tara, kain muna kami sa food court. What you gonna have, Kuya?
Hot dog.
Zach! What you gonna have? Ha? Sushi? Pag-sushi daw si Zach. Gusto ni Zach ito. Can I have chicken, please? One chicken. I'll make it 2, please. Donut cake. Ham and cheese na lang. Head over the plate, huh?
What kind of drink would you like?
How is that? How is that? Good. Kuya, how's your food?
I want to drink good. Like the brown thing. Like the brown thing.
Yeah, it's really hot pa. Yes, baby. Baby. Give Ollie a little bit. Give me one. Here, Baba. Good? Sako. Hello. Go there. Hello? What's your face? Very good. Well, just put it on the table.
I'm gonna put it here.
Ew, yucky. Yeah. You hold that, Baba. Ubos ni Sak yung sushi niya, tsaka si Kuya may konting tira. Ayan. How's your lunch, Kuya? How's your lunch? Ha? How's your lunch, Sak? Yan, punta kami ng Kmart. Here, Kuya. Come on this way. Sa, come on. Yes. Bye.
Again.
Ang cute nito, oh. Malamig na, so kuha tayo nitong isa.
Baby.
Hanapan ko si Holly ng tights. Kasi yung ngayon, medyo masigip na sa kanya. So, 2 to 3. No, 1 to 2. 1 to 2 years old. So, eto, isa nito. Wala nang iba. Pareho lang yata ito. Oops. So, eto. Hey, come on. Kuya.
My tail then?
Yeah, both of you can push. Give it to Holly. What this? Okay, yeah. Okay, go. What? One more?
Mom, I can push two people while they're
Yeah,
on
just be careful, okay? Watch where you're going. You be careful. Guys, naghahanap ako ng leggings kasi etong suit ko kay Race to, size 9. Ano, kid size siya. So, eto siya ata, size 9. Kasi kasya naman sa akin, $4.75 lang siya. Yung mga bata, yun, naglalaro. So, yan. Pili tayo ng leggings. Size 9 tong suit ko eh. Okay, boys, come on. Ayan, nakapili ako ng tatlong leggings na $4.75. Tapos, isa nito, $7. Size 9 din to. Oh, I know. Okay, let's go. We're going now.
Sometimes after this.
Holly.
Hello.
Come on here. This way, Zach. Come on. Zach, this way. Come on this way. Let's go.
No, monkey.
Holly, smile.
Yeah, that's deep.
Are you having fun?
Please.
50 cents lang siya, guys. Oh. Hanapan natin si Oli na 6 to 12. Kasi kasya naman kay Oli yung 6 to 12 kasi malit lang naman siyang bata. Baba, wait.
Mom, I want to come in. Is that for Holly?
Yes. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, wait for mommy.
Look.
What are you doing? Okay. You have to look, huh? Nice and clean. Hurry up. Just go pick, CJ. Sak, akin na. Okay. Just get me that one.
What, these? How many?
One, just one. That's
Here? That one doesn't need
And hi guys. Hi guys. Just two.
Hurry, it's wet! It's wet!
That's it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a bit big.
Come on.
I think that's the fruit to eat.
Fruits? Okay, wait. There's a free apple.
Yes.
Okay, good. No green. Yeah.
Okay.
Get numbers, What number, Sak?
59.
What number?
59.
Places of the front stuff, right? Yes. Can I have like this stick of fruits, please? And can I have two for now for them, please? Thank you. Yes. Okay, here, boys. What you gonna say? One for you, TJ. Yeah, that's it. Give me the plastic, please. Here, Holly, for you. Yep. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Thank you. Bacon, please. Just 1/4 kilo, please. That one, the stick bacon. Yes, please.
Mom,
Yeah, quarter, please.
Mom, I'm saving one.
Free. Is it yummy? Yummy. That's for us. Thank you. Hoy. Hoy. Yum. Holly, look at mommy.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's roll. Let's roll.
One?
Yeah.
Oh, that's big. That one is the dragon. Oh.
Free.